Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well and preparing for your exams. Days are really less and I could completely understand that you all must be anxious, stressful, but at the same hand, I want you all to prepare with your full zeal, with your full energy. So I conduct free special live sessions daily on Unacademy at 7 p.m. for our CS executive students on company law and JIGL. And now we are going to start with the chapter number 6 of JIGL, that is law of torts. So I am here to announce another 2 special live classes today and on 11th, that is on 9th and 11th March. Today on 9th March, I will be telling you journal conditions on liability for torts and kinds of tortious liability. And on 11th, we will be taking up the topic of torts or wrongs to personal safety or freedom and remedies to torts, and that is it. In 2 sessions, I will be completing chapter number 6, law of torts. So I hope that you join the session. The classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock my session by using my code CSJAS. And the class links to both the sessions are given in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that you get a notification before the class begins. Now we have completed 5 chapters of company law and we are starting with the 6th chapter of JIGL as well. So I hope that you are also preparing, and if not, then please join the sessions and let's prepare together. Other than that, I host classes daily, so probably you would be thinking that why 10th slot is blank. So it's not blank. On 10th March, that is on tomorrow, I will be conducting a counseling session. Yes, it will be a counseling session for our CS students, the details to which will be shared very soon with you all. But till then, do connected, stay tuned. I will let you know about the counseling session in detail, and then we will be completing the chapter in 2 days only. Other than that, Unacademy offers really great batches for CA, CS and CMA students, and particularly for CS students, the batch links are provided in the description box below. Make sure you check them once for the subscription, and in case you plan the subscription, please use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. And by using my code, you'll not only get discount but also get an opportunity to talk to me in a one-on-one mentorship call. In case of any doubt, in case of any problem, we can schedule a call. How can you schedule a call? The steps are given in the description box below, and this offer is valid till 10th March only. So I'll see you all at 7 p.m. Hope you all will join the session. Unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. Bye.